A new day begins in Bajawa. As school starts, so does our ride. The town is waking up as whiffs of fog linger in the hills, giving the landscape a dreamy, ever-changing look in the soft morning light. Today's ride takes us on a big loop. First we head east out of Bajawa, then turn north towards the coast and Riung. After lunch we ride back to Bajawa from the west. In total 187 kilometers of adventure. One of the first sights of the day, Mount ASLO towering in the distance. And this won't be the last time we see it. Along the way we pass traditional villages, their thatched roof houses nestled in the landscape. From above it feels like a glimpse into a timeless way of life. On the road you never know what's around the next corner. This time it's a herd of goats claiming the street as their own. And suddenly one bike refuses to start. We check everything, nothing works. And then, out of nowhere, the engine fires up again. Just part of a road trip, I guess. As we move further north, the landscape transforms. Lush greens turn to dry, open land. The roads straighten out and the heat starts creeping in. Big change from the cool mountain air of this morning. And then another twist in the journey. One bike has its spark plug pop out. No mechanics around, but luckily we got tools and a spare. People appear, stopping to check if we need help. Even in the middle of nowhere, you're never truly alone. With the bike sorted, we push on. The last stretch to Riung with the promise of a freshly cooked lunch waiting for us. Finally we roll into Riung. Time to park the bikes, grab a seat and enjoy a well-earned meal. After lunch and some rest, we hit the road again. The sun is getting low, turning the landscape into shades of deep orange and gold. Leaving the dry north coast behind, we climb back into the mountains. Mount Lobo comes back into view, just as it did this morning. The final stretch winds through jungle and bamboo forest, twisting and turning with the road. One last stop before the day ends. An incredible view stretching east basked in the evening light. A perfect moment to take it all in. Mount Lobo stands tall in the fading light, a silent guardian watching over the land. Day 3, full of surprises, changing landscapes and long open roads. Another unforgettable ride, and the best thing is that tomorrow the adventure continues. Stay tuned.